Hey, did you know you can make money in the NFT industry without even owning NFTs? Yes, it's possible, and it's money to be made right now. Keep watching on how you can earn some coins without even lifting a finger on OpenSea.io. So number one, you can start a YouTube channel. You can literally start a YouTube channel and make topics about NFTs. Maybe you like to review NFT collections, or maybe you are really good at doing evergreen videos such as how-to videos. This is a really good space and a new space to start a YouTube channel and create videos to help others learn more about the space since it's very new. Number two, you can become an NFT graphic designer and make NFT art for artists and upcoming NFT sellers that want to sell NFTs. This is a very lucrative business because as many want to start in the NFT space, many simply don't have the graphic design skills to do so. So you could be a person that is willing to learn a skill and put that skill to use. You can market yourself on Craigslist, Instagram, Facebook, Discord groups, YouTube, Upwork, Fiverr, just to name a few platforms to sell your skills and make good money. You can even charge upwards to $300 plus per NFT character, depending on the complexity, and some artists may have 1,000 plus characters in their collections. It can be very lucrative to those who want to take on a new skill as an NFT graphic designer. Number three, you can become an NFT web designer and developer and create NFT stores for NFT artists. NFT stores are very popular as NFT marketplace gas fees are extremely high, so many are going towards creating their own website. If you know how to build an e-commerce website or just a basic static website with web pages, this could be very lucrative for you. If you don't know how to build a website, it's very easy to do so once you learn. You can build a website on Shopify and WordPress in less than 1 hour by watching YouTube videos on how to do so. As a web developer myself, hence why my name is Designer Soapbox, building a website can be very lucrative business because many people don't want to take the time to build a website and watch tutorials on how to do so. Even if it saves them money, they prefer someone else to do it. If you're a patient and a tech-savvy person, this job could be for you. You can earn upwards of $5,000 plus per website for website building an NFT store. Number four, you can become a Discord channel creator for NFT Discord groups. Discord groups are very popular in the NFT industry because people can chat on a server amongst one another. NFT Discord servers have been very popular in the NFT space where people can join Discord groups and gain certain access to NFT projects just by joining. If you can spend time on how to build a Discord server, you can really earn some cash. Another way to learn how a Discord server operates is to simply join one. And then you can go ahead and watch a YouTube tutorial and learn how to create one yourself. Another great way to earn without learning these skills is outsourcing. You can simply outsource the work to someone that knows how to do the websites, the Discord creation, the graphic design, and then charge more to the customer for the job. It's what most scalable companies do when they want to scale more. They outsource the work so that they can keep their customer happy and not outburn themselves with loads of work. Of course, you want to make sure both customer and the person that you're outsourcing the work to know that it's being outsourced by just letting them know that you have a web developer or designer or creator on your team that handles that type of stuff. Number five, if you are a content creator, you can team up with NFT artists and promote their NFTs and get paid. You can get paid upfront or based on the number of sales. If you are a content creator and know that your audience will love to step into the NFT space, but you don't want to change your content to just NFTs, well, then you can collaborate with the NFT artist and promote a project that your audience will buy. You can also earn cryptocurrency as a payment this way by offering your customers to pay with cryptocurrency. So you can save your crypto to eventually buy an NFT, invest it, or buy land in the metaverse, or whatever you want, because there's many of opportunities to take advantage in this space. You just have to find your lane and stick to it. I hope this video gave you a better insight on how to earn money without owning any NFTs. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.